Hello, my Princess House friends and family. Thelindabradley here from Princess House. So I have a really good set tonight that I want to show you. It's been my #1 selling set all month, and I don't want you to miss it. So Princess House puts different items on sale, and this is one of the items that is on sale, but I've added some things to it. So are you ready? It is our utensil set. So many of you have purchased from me a lot of our cookware, right? You've purchased all different kinds of cookware and cooking items, and now what you need are the utensils to go along with it, and I'm going to tell you why. So #1, these utensils are made of the heavy stainless steel. They're nice and heavy. You feel the weight to them, and they're all silicone. So the interest with the silicone is if you have plastic, you know it, because plastic warps and melts and burns and peels, and you just have to throw it out after a while. But silicone is heat resistant up to 475 degrees. So these pieces will stay like this. So this is going to come with 5 different pieces. It's going to come with 2 spoons that are closed spoons. It's going to come with a serrated spoon, so that's nice and easy when you're taking things out. It's going to come with a pasta fork, right? This is good for pulling your spaghetti up out of the pot. And did you guys know that whenever you have a pasta fork and see that hole in the middle, that is 1 serving. So you can take your spaghetti and put it through there, and that's 1 serving, right? Kind of cool. And my favorite items are the tongs. These are new. They do lock. They're really easy, but what I like about them are the ends. So you can see that there is non-stick on the side. There is that silicone right at the top. So what's nice is you can use these in a non-stick pan, and they're not going to scratch it. Now, the actual utensil holder has plenty of room for more utensils. Let me take these out real quick, and you can see that there's 3 divided sections. So I use my front section for some of my smaller tools. I use that for like my can opener and my little whisk. But also the thing that's cool is that it turns, it rotates. So it makes it so easy. You can just put it right on your counter. It takes all the guesswork out. There's plenty of room for you to add your baking spatulas or whatever else you have. Trust me, mine is jammed. And it works really well to get everything that you need. Now, the company has put this on sale for a great price for you, and I've made it a little bit better. You can get that caddy and the 5 tools inside of it. You can just make 5 easy payments of $32.53, and it's yours. I can ship it anywhere in the United States, and it ships once it's paid in full. But I have a couple of specials, so are you ready? #1. I don't know if you heard, but we have surprise buys going on right now. And how surprise buys work is when you buy 1 item at $40 or more, you are allowed to take a surprise gift for just $11. You're not going to know what it is until it comes. Hence the surprise. But it is a recently discontinued Princess House product worth up to $145. And we've been seeing some really good ones come in already. So for this order, you're going to be allowed, oh, I should have done the math first. How many can you order? 40, 80. You can order probably 3 of these if you want of the surprise buys. So you can order 3 of these, $11 each, with the utensil holder that I just told you about. But there's more. In my group, Thelindabradley, we're running a contest, and this is how it works. For every $100 that our customers spend, and it's just in our group, we're going to put you in a raffle, and this is what you can win. 1 person is going to win our brand new barbecue set. So have you seen this? It is so cool, right? This is a grill pan that you can use outdoors on your grill. And you'll see that it has the perforated edges, and it's wonderful for shrimp or seafood, or a lot of you want to do fruit on your grill or vegetables, and you don't have to worry about it falling through. So this is the grill pan. It is a new item in our catalog, and you're also going to be in the raffle. This is 1 whole set. It's the pan and the utensils. So these are extra long. They all have the silicone base, so they're really easy to hold. And so here's the first one. This is our hamburger, and you can see on the side, can you see it? That it has a serrated edge. So you can actually cut with it. It's kind of like a knife all in one. The next one is the tongs. They're covered with plastic just for your safety. Then we have the baster, right? So this is good to go ahead and baste anything that you're cooking. And then last but not least, another set of tongs, but these are the large ones. So this whole set is worth $269. And like I said, everybody that spends $100 in my group, you're going to get a ticket to win that. And so I'm really excited. So you can get the utensil set for 5 payments of $32.53 each. You can also take up to 3 surprise buys, only if you want them. And you will also get a raffle ticket to earn the barbecue set. So reach out to me. Let me switch my little signs here at Thelindabradley at gmail.com and tell me that you want to take advantage of the utensil set, and I will get you all hooked up. But there's still more. So listen. If you're interested in the utensil set, I'm going to tell you to go one step further. Chances are, if you're interested, you probably know some friends that are interested. Your girlfriend, your sister, your mom. So here's the deal. If you sell 3 sets, one of them can be yours. Now you only have to sell 2, right? Take it into work. I have a beautiful flyer to give you. If you sell 3 sets, let me tell you what I can give you. There's 2 big things. So number 1, this is a brand new item in our new collection. It's called the Princess Heritage series of stainless steel. It's a 4-quart casserole. It's not even in the catalog yet. It will be valued at $139.95. You can get this for just $34.95, right? Plus, I can give you a gift card for Princess House of $245. And basically what that means is that's giving you a gift card, and you can shop and buy anything that you want through our catalog. You have $245 to spend, whatever you want. And that's just going to cost you $29.95. That's an incredible value. And that is all you need to sell 3 sets. Good deal, right? Again, just reach right out to me, Thelindabradley at gmail.com. Tell me that you want the flyer, and I'll make sure I get it to you. That's not all. I'm going to go one step further and blow your mind. If you sell 6 of them, and again, you got a couple of weeks to do it, you'd be surprised. It's an awesome deal, awesome special. And remember, when your friends buy it, they get everything that I'm telling you. They can take the layaway, they can take the surprise buys, they can get in the raffle for the barbecue set. But when you sell 6 of them, not only can you still take this pan, but I have 2 of the most popular items that we've ever had at a huge discount price. The first one is our double electric griddle. This is right on the front cover of our catalog. It's been a huge seller ever since we brought it out. It is in the book for $399. You can get it for just $84.95 when you sell 6 utensil sets. That's it. And then the best I saved for last. And so when you sell 6 sets, you will also be able to take our #1 selling item in the entire catalog, and it is our high power blender, perfect for your smoothies, your nut butters, hot soup, chilies, anything you want to put in here. This is in the catalog at $619, and you can get it for just $149 when you sell 6 of the utensil sets. So you got a couple of options. If you just want one of the utensil set for yourself, that's fine. Just reach out to me, Thelindabradley at gmail.com, and I will get you hooked up. You can pay it in full, or you can do the payments, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can take the surprise buys, and of course you're going to get a raffle ticket for the barbecue set. But if you want to see if your friends are interested and try to sell 3 or try to sell 6, there's way more. Oh, I even forgot to tell you. When you sell 6, that gift card goes up to $345. So now you get a $345 gift card for just $29.95. Princess House is the best company ever. We have the best customer specials, the best hostess specials, the best consultant specials, and I'm here for all of it. So thank you for joining me. I hope you'll take advantage of some of our special offers because they're pretty good. All right, I'll see you next time.